And this is Che Kong Temple. Che Kong was a Song Dynasty general deified for his devotions to the people. His temple in Shatin was first founded by the villagers of Temsam over 100 years ago. He defended the area from the flood and miraculously ended the Great Plague. In time, his temple became the community temple for the whole of Shatin over the past 100 years. His reputation for granting miraculous good luck has grown steadily and has encouraged many people from outside Shatin to worship here, especially during Chinese New Year. An entirely new temple was built here in 1993, but the old temple, as rebuilt in 19th century, has been preserved. Behind it can still be seen the scriptures of his door pillars proclaim the God's role of defender of the Shatin community. The temple has numerous brass windmills and the country yard, which are turned to bring the worshipper good luck. My first expressions here, I'm so in love with this place and very peaceful and very fresh air as it is in between mountains na neighborhood at syempre quite a small place but a lot of incense in the air which can irritate your eyes, so do you bring some water, flush it out of your eyes kasi nakita naman natin, diba, na naglalakihan yung mga essence dyan at syempre yung mga usok, nakakasakit talaga ng mata like this. So Che Kong Temple is a good temple visit in Shatin. And also there is a smaller old temple past the newer large complex which was designed in Japanese manner in style around 15 years ago. It is large and quite attractive. At mula dito sa aking harapan, nakikita natin itong pulang ito. Ay napansin ko lang dito na may mga offering na siya na nakalagay na sa isang box. At mga notes o paper na may mga wish na siguro na nandyan yung for money, good luck, for family, for good health, at saka yung mga wini-wish mo talaga kasi yun talaga yung sinasabi dito na ang Che Temple is for good luck. Lahat ng gusto mong i-wish ay ginagranted talaga dito. So after that, ilalagay ito sa box sa labas and then sabay-sabay itong susunugin after na ipag-pray ng mga monk at sa mismong araw kung saan nila inilang.
Give your pet luck and then you
This is what kind of this sign?
this is the name of the soldier.
Soldier.
And if you that year you don't feel good, not lucky, then you pum.
So, yung mga Buddhas na yan, yung bawat birthday mo, may kanya-kanya siyang year. At doon ka sa kanya, hihingi ng wish mo para ma-fulfill yung wish mo talaga at mag-granted siya. So, kaya may mga Buddha dyan sa loob na yan. So, mayroon siya year of pig, snake, rooster, rabbit. So, yan ang mga zodiac sign mo, horse and rat, and monkeys, and dragon. Buddha, ang siyang magbibigay sa iyo. Kung ano yung year mo, sila ang magbibigay sa iyo ng hinihiling mo. It's quite very cool, guys, and I feel respectful temple, and the history in authenticity makes this a very interesting and worthwhile attractions to visit. and also the unique experience to visit such a holy locations. And also, I wish that they had a pamphlet to English to educate us more the history and significance of these temples para naman magkaroon naman tayo ng idea. So, yung electric fan na tinuturo natin, eto daw, kapag bad luck ka, kailangan mong pukpukin kailangan mong pukpukin yung drum na yan para mabago yung takbo ng iyong kapalaran. At gayon din yung ginawa niya na pinaikot yung electric fan para mawala yung bad luck. At yung mga katulad niya na may bumili ng box, susunugin nila yan para yan ang magdadala doon sa itaas ng mga hinihiling mo, yung mga wini-wish mo. So, I have red packet here last year at ito yung binigay sa akin dito para sa the year. Say thank you for the whole year and wish you all the best this year and good luck po. Yan, nakita natin yung mga inilalagay para dun sa mga kahilingan. At pagkatapos niyan, susunugin yan para mag-wish granted yung iyong hinihiling. Wow, this is great. Incense, big incense yung nakikita niyo. Grabe sila, no? Talagang spending a lot of money para lang make your wish come true. Ayan talaga yung pagkakaiba ng mga Chinese sa ating mga Katoliko at sa ibang mga relihiyon. Na kung ano man yung ating paniniwala, yun din ang ginagawa nila. Yung hinihiling nila, yung wini-wish natin, yung pinapangarap natin. Yan. Governors. Wow, this is nice. 128. So, meron din doon. Wala na, marami ako nakikitang ganito sa aking so, siguro every time na nag-pray sila, bumibili sila ng souvenirs. Yes. For
Whole family safe.
oh, where I put?
Here by the window.
Okay.
Whole family safe. And then
Whole family safe. Good luck.
for money.
Lucky for money.
Everything as you wish.
Okay. And what is the great example of a temple is a great place to pick up a souvenir. It's specifically these windmills which give you a blessing. So, pupunta tayo doon, balik tayo sa may altar, ipa-bless natin yan, tapos after this, uwi na tayo para madala rin natin itong windmill sa ating pag-uwi. So, we're done here at nakita natin ang kaloob-looban nito kung paano sila mag-pray at humingi ng mga blessings sa paniniwala nila na ang lahat ng kanilang mga pinipray ay mag-granted at iyon lagi ang kanilang ginagawa sa temple dito sa Maisyatin. So, thank you so much guys sa pagsama niyong muli sa akin sa journey itong ito na nakarating tayo dito sa temple at napakita natin lahat kung anong meron dito. So, see you guys and God bless us all.